In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the engine air filter on this Volvo S60. This is going to be located under the hood on the driver's side. Let's get into it. On the front of the airbox, you're going to have clips. This vehicle has two of them missing. They're going to look similar to this one in the middle. You just pull up, release the clip, do the same on the others, and then lift up on the airbox, open it up. You can grab the air filter and pull it out. Now take the new air filter, line it up in the box. And push it in place. Looks good. The back of the box just has some clips. If the top came off, you just want to clip it in. Line that up. Push it down. And then you want to clip on the front. And push down on the other two latches.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.